If a user enters something and click on the tick mark from the keyboard, you want some action to happen there, then this video is for you. In Sketchware, go to shared more blocks and search for a block named ImeOption action. Download it. Import it from collection. Add on create. Set single line. You can get that block from shared blocks and watch the video previous I have uploaded. And then now set single line true and set the ImeOption. Now go to your block. In that block, the first toast is placed where the done is clicked, and second is when ImeOption is other than done. So we will navigate to another activity when someone clicks on done. Else you can just ignore, but I will add a toast to make sure that else is also working. I'm adding another text view. In that I will select ImeOption go. So the first one is go and second is done. Now we are ready. Let's compile it. On clicking first, it shows toast, and on clicking second, it navigates to another page.